how to use our new standards tracker within the SmartLab Launchpad. This is not only a great tool for SmartLab facilitators, but also for core class teachers and administrators. To access the tracker from the main Launchpad, click your name in the top right corner when logged in and click Standards. This will take you directly to the Standards Tracker database where you can browse by Learning Launcher or by a specific curriculum standard. We'll start by Learning Launcher. Since this tracker is newly updated in an HTML format, our first release does only include alignment for grades 3 through 5. However, all grade levels will be completely aligned and available by fall of 2018. Currently, only our elementary curriculum is listed, which include our Express challenges and our Liftoff challenges. Once all other grades are aligned, you'll see a more complete list. Let's choose Digital Communications and Express challenges. Here on the left, you'll see all of the individual learning launchers associated with this one topic area. Then, in order to view standards, we can click here and we'll start by choosing Pixie Exploring Pattern. And you'll now see all of the standards aligned to this one specific learning launcher. However, this will show all states and all sets of standards, including Common Core or any supplemental. So if we view all and scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll see there are over 900 standards aligning to this one specific learning launcher. But we can come back up here and search by a keyword, including a state, or by typing in Common Core. Once we do this, the list narrows and we can now see there are 11 Common Core standards within math grades 3 through 5 that align to Pixie Exploring Patterns. Once we go ahead and choose a standard to view, we'll view details and it'll show us a standard set summary, which include the strand and domain. We've also included other learning launchers that are correlated to this standard, which is really helpful if you have a math teacher who wants to know what their students are doing within the SmartLab and how it aligns to their everyday lessons. Let's go back to the standards tracker and view by curriculum standard. As you can see, we're aligned to the Common Core standards, to national standards including ISTE for students, and the Next Generation Science standards, supplemental standards, and all 50 individual state standards. As standards are updated and released, we'll also be updating the database. Since it's a hot topic right now, why don't we go ahead and view the NGSS standards. Here you'll see standard set level 1, and we can drill down to level 2, which now includes engineering design, level 3, which will show the description, and all the way down to level 4, which includes the number, standard set, description, grade, and subject. Here, we'll be able to view details that will give a summary of all of the standard, and then the actual learning launcher correlated to this specific standard. So here, students can go to Liftoff Challenges, Mechanics and Structures, and choose Zome Tools to go ahead and meet the engineering design standard for NGSS in grade 5. This is also very helpful when core teachers are bringing in groups of students to the SmartLab. They can use learning launchers based on the standards they're covering in class that week. The Standards Tracker is a wonderful tool embedded within the curriculum to give support for teachers as students make their way through the learning launchers. I hope this was helpful, and please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. Thanks.